Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook chicken with rice. First, gather your ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 cup of rinsed long-grain white rice, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Have your preferred seasonings like salt, black pepper, and garlic powder ready. Make sure you have a large, deep skillet or Dutch oven available with a tight-fitting lid for optimal cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your large skillet over a steady medium-high heat. Add your chicken pieces and sear them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. This critical step adds deep flavor and helps keep the chicken incredibly moist. Once seared, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate for now. Using the same pan, add about 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 minced clove of garlic. Sauté these aromatics for roughly 2 minutes until they become fragrant and gently softened. Now, stir in your rinsed rice, making sure each grain is well coated with the delicious pan drippings. Finally, pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt for seasoning. Bring the liquid to a vigorous boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low so it maintains a very gentle simmer. Carefully place the seared chicken back into the pan, distributing it evenly. Cover the skillet tightly with its lid, then allow it to cook undisturbed for exactly 18 minutes. It is crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as the trapped steam ensures perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.